salute my country people the way they did for Ground Zero and the one the way they did for outside country. I be una humble presenter, Commander Alima, we there for Ground Zero, for AMF Liberation TV and SCPC TV live for inside Amazonia. I come today for can talk with my people for Ground Zero here for the first ever financial mobilization where na Amazonian Liberation Levy all. Fellow Amazonians, make una accept revolutionary greetings from Amazonian Military Forces, AMF, and also special salutes it go for our parents them, our brothers and our sisters, the way they stay for bush and the one the way they did for inside Kondengi. Our revolution it undergo crisis where we must fix them. We must know say we don't pass that stage for strike and for protest. The stage we dey now at stage 3, we at the war stage, we will fight now for 4 years now. War na a delicate stage for inside revolution because it need the only destroy properties, but it make them with the loss plenty lives more than we expect them. War it require proper organization and finances. This one I will make and say make we stop for the waste lives and properties. Unfortunately, Amazonian revolution it lack proper organization leading to financial mismanagement and embezzlement. All different groups them where they dey for ground, they dey suffer because of lack of resources, lack of materials, inadequate feedings, abandonment of wounded fighters, their wives and their children, the children of fighters the way we don't lose them, we don't abandon them. Plenty of una don't know wetin they go through. Sometimes them it be bad. We don't do plenty things that will be bad, but now time this will get for fix them because now the only solution that things they not go on well for inside this our dombo or the dombo, but we need for fix them because now only we if you fix anything where it be the way it spoil. Plenty fighters them they use fighters them. Plenty people that use fighters and that names them for enrich themselves, for make money for themselves. If not been so, they will start all this money the way people that they contribute them for the sake of this revolution. Where all the money then go. Once fighter it lack materials, it lack chop, it lack medicine for take care for itself. And if it be psychologically unstable, it make this fighter enough he fight again. If he weak, it lost the focus, it lost the focus where he supposed to do. And it be a potential target for the enemy. Over 60% of our soldiers we don't lose them. We don't lose them for inside battlefield. Most of them are carelessness, careless killings for inside quarters them, for camps, and also for inside infightings. All these now because we need to be able to meet the needs of fighters for ground here. And the reason that way fighters then you will see infightings where they go on. For we for fix these things, fighters and true Amazonian Military Forces AMF, they don't come up with one national defense financial pool for one people, for one army, for one nation. The financial pool na Amazonian Liberation Levy all. This Ambazonian Liberation Levy all now a monthly financial contributions, and it be divided into 5 categories, so that no person no go she don't complain say the money wey they send am for this side they don't chop am, some particular people don't use a chop am. Na the reason that way they divide this program for inside for categories, so that people they no go dey complain again. The first category na the brown horse, where it range from $10 to $49. The second category na the black horse, it range from $50 to $99. The third category, wey na white horse, it range from $100 to $49. The fourth category, it range from $500 to $999. And lastly, the fifth category, wey na lion, it range from $1,000 and above. All Ambazonians them, I want for remember una say this launching it take place for the 5th of September 2020. The Ambazonian Liberation Levy all. It will take place again for the 5th of September 2020 for Southern Cameroon International Town Hall. We the soldiers them, we expect all Ambazonians them for attend this launching, so that all we will make them a success. We know say some of una give money for political movements, for leaders, but we they not be record these results. Some of una be give money for individual soldiers their hands, where they not be record the results. Some they be given for self-defense group, where they not be record the results. Now the reason that way, AMF it don't come for stop this embezzlement as far as defense it be concerned. Diasporas and civilians where they dey for ground, they not fit control fighters them. But a group of fighters they fit control diasporas or civilians them where they dey for ground. AMF it guarantee transparency, accountability, and results, recorded results for Ambazonian Liberation Levy all. We'll be eager for fight and defeat our enemies when La Republic Cameroon terrorist military and their government. Ambazonian Liberation Levy all it be completely dedicated for defense. It be also worthy enough for say AMF it don't create an organized healthcare department for all fighters, irrespective of your group affiliation, whether na ADF, whether na IG, whether na AMF. As long as you be fighter, once you be wounded, AMF healthcare department will be available for treat all fighters. Politics is therefore stop for this revolution. We supposed for no say.
Congress Salas, therefore, you na civilian, you work for the medical department for AMF. Many people them they ask you today for your Facebook wall, time where you post about AMF, they say you what do you do for AMF? Where they say AMF na defense force for Ground Zero. So you then now for TV station answer them. Who be you for AMF? How you find yourself there?
Yes, Comrade Ompasho, thank you. I don't really care about people that ask which way I they do for AMF, because I'm an Ambazonian where A1 see make brothers and sisters the way they defend motherland, may they defend them with the best aptitude where they're supposed to get them. If I want to throw a little light on top of AMF, now the civilian population. Now so AMF is on top of AMF, that is which way it attract me for them. Their civility in their defense. Now it make me very much inclined to way that they do. So as the bosses then for AMF, we the civilians, you the civilian with the SID. Now you be the boss for the soldier for AMF. The AMF recognize that one. So we now as the boss them for the soldiers them who get the duty for protect them from now our responsibility actually to make sure they make them not go in, make them not fall into harm's way. And if they go into harm's way, something happen for them, make we take care for them. AMF healthcare where it be designed to do just this and provide them the best health, may they be strong enough to fight. And for when they be injured because in a war, make we take care for them. And in the case where they give their life defending homeland, make we give them a fair way where it be befitting or recognize them and document them as the liberators them for this war revolution. AMF healthcare right now, it don't take care of a lot of soldiers already for ground zero where they don't benefit from the healthcare for AMF. We be autonomous. Now a civilian run part where AMF the only the soldiers and they only oversee because the soldiers for ground zero they get representative for inside the healthcare where it link we and the soldiers to make sure say any make the give the statistics then for units the way they need medical supplies, the statistics for units the way they need medical personnel. So we need all our civilian health experts then for join this AMF health so that make we equip ground zero medically for the way it's supposed to be. We want to make train for every unit the basic first aid standards. If a unit for 5 soldiers and they stand for some place to carry out an action on behalf of Ambazonia, make somebody there for the way. We don't see plenty of people and they die just by bleeding out. If they be just apply some necessary first aid for the that for spare that person life, prepare you for fight the next fight, or keep it for enjoy independence. We tomorrow we don't lost a lot of soldiers through those kind of negligence. So and a failure of all of us collectively will not provide this kind of structure all along. And we thank the AMF so they think about this initiative and then they hand it to the people where they get the space for organize and do it. We do training for soldiers on the ground for this first aid and professionalism the way they do. We need all of this professionalism for come into this AMF health and participate. Why would they participate for, or while they join for participate for provide this knowledge for the boys on the ground? Also, we'll get other medical people on the ground and already trained people them. Where when I don't wonder how some the treatments they know they go. Medical doctors are there on the ground where they be undercover. Where we salute all the risks where they take and for treat these soldiers where they work with AMF Health for CCD. So when an incident occur, AMF Health, it come for AMF Health. AMF Health they take charge immediately. An initial we don't care whether that soldier be fighting for pest way AMF be known or not. Whenever a soldier be injured, the report be brought to AMF Health. AMF Health be obliged to act. So they act with that initial support, send that initial medical team there for CC make that soldier start a treatment before we start find out say wait till other people they do. And if other people then they need to do much, AMF Health it will continue. Now, me I come from Santa LGA. We already did in the process for we don't recognize which way AMF they do and for the particular direction. We don't get a lot of injured soldiers and for Santa. And I feel also talk say Santa don't benefit a lot from it already. Maybe no, it has nothing to do with the fact say me I be from Santa AMF from for giving with that chance. So out of their own way, AMF Santa patrons them they look into working with the AMF on this health issue, so that we feel begin help our own soldiers of Santa through the AMF, make all this duplication of resources. And when I say sometimes they will take some one picture, don't have the whole time any different people they take and do personal fundraiser day. Some people, so one soldier get injury. Some people they don't even know that soldier. They take that picture, they collect money, But this AMF one financial pool or the AMF health, if you don't say a health situation, if you give the health financial pool that if you donate to AMF health, then bring any injury where you don't see on for ground. If some person don't send you some picture, say, hey, this soldier don't be injured, donate money, send that picture for AMF health, ask and so on, be aware of this situation. How which would they do? Then we will tell you if we don't do something, whether we'll be aware about that situation and how you fit support that. So if all of these duplication of resources will only happen, AMF don't put these structures away they launch them on the feet. Now for avoid all of this, they find our revolution stall not be simply because the money no day, not because some of the money don't be channeled to the wrong sources. Sometimes it don't be mismanaged, and then sometimes the bureaucracy then for reach the soldiers and it just be too long. So AMF when the soldiers they organize themselves and work for the people, make the people work with the soldiers directly through the AMF. It's one of the best way anybody we want take care of somebody on ground zero. If he do don't get a situation where this particular case for Santa where me I want to use an anecdote and for thank this get a soldier where he will be left without our knowledge for a very delicate situation. Unfortunately, he lost his life finally, despite all the efforts the way AMF do. And AMF put more than 1 million francs into this soldier he helped where they discover him late. So it finds when anything occurs, if you be soldier for Bush, you there right now, so you get any injury. We will put AMF help number. It go there like 911 number. Where even you there for Bush, immediately you be hurt. Tell your commander say call AMF help. We don't care whether you fight now or as long as you get that injury fighting for Ambazonia, call that AMF health line. We go attend to you immediately. You know, we don't care whether na ADF, we don't care whether na Sukadev, we don't care whether a county soldier. You fight like you get into the responsibility of the Ambazonian people to take care of you. And AMF Health will be structured to do just that. We will avoid all this duplication of resources if we work the way this structure will be wrong. Most of the time when people come up with a good idea, the tendency out of the ego way, you don't feel what revolution lately. People just want to come criticize because they simply just want their own ideas to flow. But nobody say they plenty they don't try them, it never work. And if something never work, make we adjust and move on. And which that way it happen. So this idea for AMF Health now some part of the revolution which never existed before. AMF is the first organization for think particularly about soldiers only. Make sure say make the gateway we need. And we need a lot of human resources as far as health is concerned to make this work. So in as much as we ask for the Amazonian people to contribute, AMF Health be autonomous the way AMF organize them. They need to mix money, say me they go fight with money where me they go treat. So when again it's we will put our own AMF separate donation, our own separate website for the health department where we take care for all the injuries and the victims for this Republic terrorism on our people. So I call on all Ambazonians and for take this particular department seriously, because our people they suffer. There will be a lot of victims for this Republic terrorism. We will not feel I just turn a blind eye for that and walk away. I want me that want me to be healthy, and we always be there ready to people with just
okay.
Hold on,
Silas, make it come in. You don't. Okay.
Hold on. So, for diaspora, you get our people into where, by the nature of their work, they no fit contribute to the fighting, or by the nature of their position, they no fit contribute to the fighting. But taking care of a victim of war, now a humanitarian act where if you say you work, whether you work on White House, donate to AMF Health, we will use them for save people in the way La Republic terrorism, it don't affect them. Go on with your question, Don Pasho.